County. Question number 6, Shane gave you the answer on the ride home yesterday afternoon at 5:25. And Bridget Jones' Diary, what is the name of Bridget's?
This is a totally different story from Green Bay, but I feel like he has to be that perfect for the Green Bay Packers because of the culture that they had defensively. No longer supposed to be with them. Mike Parsons is a guy that actually won them football games this year because of that ability to close things out. So now when I'm looking at Matt LaFleur and I'm looking at Jordan Love, in which he had a few throws in that ball game, had one of the tight red zone.
Oh boy, big pressure right now. You have to heavy your diaper right now. I'm still going with that. Howard, I can tell you this much. It feels like the same amount.
Jesus. Oh boy. What just happened? That woman is crazy.
Mustang. Wow, you fucking moron, dude.
You're not allowed to do that. No.
Stay open the door, husband. Watch it. Oh, husband.
She did it.
What are you doing?
I was taking my tray off. Yeah, she was over in Fort Lauderdale.
What the fucking hell?
Few moments later.
It'll never happen. The next war is not going to be fought. It needs that many people to